Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the horns on Audi A4 B7. There are two horns on this car and they are located behind the front bumper, so in order to get access to the horns we need to remove the front bumper. In order to remove the front bumper we need to remove the two wheel arch liners. In order to remove the wheel arch liners, first we're going to remove the two front wheels. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the two wheel arch liners, and then we're going to bring the wheel arch liners to the back so that we get access to the bolts holding the front bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll remove the bolts holding the front bumper here on the side. There's two nuts right there that we need to remove. These are the two nuts right there, and it's the same on the other side. Two nuts on the other side. On the other side, they're behind the windscreen washer tank. In between that hole right there, the two nuts. And as the nuts on holding the bumper on both sides removed, next we're going to remove the engine under tray and any bolts holding the front bumper to the chassis. In my case, the engine under tray is removed, so there's nothing to remove underneath. Now we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. That's one bolt right there. That's the second bolt. Third bolt is right there. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we're going to pull out the bumper and it should come out fairly easily. There might be some electrical connectors that might need to be disconnected, depends on the model that you have. If you have parking sensors, there will be electrical connectors, or if you have those halogen lights as well. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the two horns. That's one of the horns right there. It's held by those two bolts and an electrical connector. And the other one is on the other side right there. It's again held by two bolts and electrical connector. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.